Hello, and welcome to Better English Daily. In this video, you will practice English using the shadowing method. Today's topic is shopping for food. This is something we all do. We buy food almost every day, at supermarkets, small stores, or local markets. In this video, I speak slowly, clearly, and naturally. You listen and say each sentence after me. Imagine the situation, relax your voice, and speak with confidence. Let's start. Part 1. Going to the store. Let's begin with simple, everyday sentences. I go to the grocery store. I go to the grocery store. I need to buy some food. I need to buy some food. I usually shop once or twice a week. I usually shop once or twice a week. I like going to the store in the morning. I like going to the store in the morning. The store is not far from my home. The store is not far from my home. I bring a shopping bag with me. I bring a shopping bag with me. I try not to buy too much. I try not to buy too much. Part 2. Making a shopping list. Now let's talk about planning. I make a shopping list. I make a shopping list. I check what I have at home. I check what I have at home. I write down what I need. I write down what I need. This helps me save time. This helps me save time. This helps me save money. This helps me save money. I don't like forgetting things. I don't like forgetting things. A list makes shopping easier. A list makes shopping easier. Part 3. Fruits and vegetables. Now we talk about fresh food. I buy fruits and vegetables. I buy fruits and vegetables. I like fresh apples and bananas. I like fresh apples and bananas. I buy tomatoes and cucumbers. I buy tomatoes and cucumbers. The vegetables look fresh today. The vegetables look fresh today. I check the color and smell. I check the color and smell. I choose ripe fruit. I choose ripe fruit. Fresh food is important to me. Fresh food is important to me. Part 4. Meat, fish, and dairy. Now some other food sections. I buy chicken or fish. I buy chicken or fish. Sometimes I buy meat. Sometimes I buy meat. I also buy eggs and milk. I also buy eggs and milk. I like yogurt and cheese. I like yogurt and cheese. I check the expiration date. I check the expiration date. I choose simple, fresh products. I choose simple, fresh products. I don't buy more than I need. I don't buy more than I need. Part 5. Prices and choices. Let's talk about money and choices. I look at the prices. I look at the prices. Some things are expensive. Some things are expensive. Some things are on sale. Some things are on sale. I compare different brands. I compare different brands. I choose what fits my budget. I choose what fits my budget. I try not to buy impulsively. I try not to buy impulsively. I ask myself, do I really need this? I ask myself, do I really need this? Part 6. At the checkout. Now imagine you are ready to pay. I go to the checkout. I go to the checkout. I put my food on the counter. I put my food on the counter. I wait in line. I wait in line. The cashier scans the items. The cashier scans the items. I pay with cash or a card. I pay with cash or a card. I take my receipt. I take my receipt. I pack my groceries into bags. I pack my groceries into bags. Part 7. Mini food shopping stories. Story 1. Quick grocery trip. I stop by the store after work. I only need a few things. I buy bread, milk, and fruit. The store is busy, but it's okay. I pay quickly and go home. It's a simple, normal day. I stop by the store after work. I only need a few things. I buy bread, milk, and fruit. The store is busy, but it's okay. I pay quickly and go home. It's a simple, normal day. Story 2. Weekend shopping. On the weekend, I shop for the week. I take my time. I look at fresh food carefully. I choose healthy options. I stick to my shopping list. When I get home, I feel prepared. On the weekend, I shop for the week. I take my time. I look at fresh food carefully. I choose healthy options. I stick to my shopping list. When I get home, I feel prepared. Story 3. Trying to save money. I try to spend less on food. I plan my meals. I buy only what I need. I don't shop when I'm hungry. This helps me make better choices. Small habits make a big difference. I try to spend less on food. I plan my meals. I buy only what I need. I don't shop when I'm hungry. This helps me make better choices. Small habits make a big difference. Part 8. Useful store phrases. Now some simple phrases you may hear or use. How much is this? How much is this? Is this fresh? Is this fresh? Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a smaller size? Where can I find bread? Where can I find bread? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? That's all. Thank you. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Great job today. You practice shopping for food in English using the shadowing method. Shadowing helps you speak more naturally and confidently. Practice these phrases again and again. On this channel, you can also find videos about greetings and introductions, self-introduction examples, talking about your day, my family, my home. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share it with others learning English. Keep practicing. Enjoy your progress. See you in the next video.